As you see, this app will pay you to just swipe a tap on your phone just like you regularly do, and it is available for both Android and iOS. And it basically works like this: you install it, do whatever you like to do, check your phone from time to time, and collect your earnings. And even if this is a great app, if you just stay with me till the end of the video, you'll get a bonus app that also is going to pay you to do nothing, so that way you'll maximize your results. And let me know in the comments down below what will you do while these apps are working for you in the background. Anyway, keep in mind that these apps can only help you earn some extra money and should not be considered as a replacement of a full-time job. And before I share these apps with you, I just want to remind you to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one on how to make money online. So before I show you my favorite app that will pay you using your phone for doing nothing, absolutely passive income, I want to show you the first step and how it is actually going to pay you. As you can see right here, what rewards can I redeem? You can get paid via PayPal and bank transfer, so you get real money, not points but real cash that you can spend on however you want. And also, when can I redeem rewards? You don't need hundreds of dollars to cash out with this app. You literally just need 2 up to 5 US dollars depending on where you are making money from and what type of rewards you choose. Once you have 2 up to $5 to your account, you can immediately cash out and spend that money on whatever you prefer. Of course, you can leave it over there to grow until you have, for example, $50 on $100 or more, and then you request your cash. But as we said, even if you have 2 up to $5, you can cash out, which is really great, and it means that you can start making money really fast. So the way that the first app works is that you basically install it for free, and it's going to show you some ads on the screen that you can just swipe. So all you have to do is to swipe on your phone, which is something that you already do every single day, and now you can get paid up to $5 per day just from one single device. This means if you have multiple devices, you can make a lot more money, but even $150 every single month just for swiping and tapping on your phone is also pretty decent. However, it is not as good as the second app, which I'm about to show you, because with this app you don't even need to swipe and still get paid in a passive mode. So stay tuned for that. Now I want to show you that the first app is available for both Android and iOS. So you can find it either on Google Play Store or on App Store, so don't worry, you can all get this app for free on your smartphone device. And this app is called Mucash. This is over at mucash.com. This is their official website, but in order to install the app and start making money, you will just need to go over to Google Play Store or to App Store and search for Mucash, find their logo, which is going to look like this one, and then install it, sign up for free either with your Facebook account or your phone number, and start making up to $5 per day. Once again, this is over at Mucash. And now here is the second app that I wanted to share with you, which in my opinion is even better. As you can see, you can earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. And you can do this again and again, not only once, but over and over again. And as you can see, you can get paid through PayPal. It is absolutely safe. They guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way, so you don't need to worry. You do not need to perform any task, watch ads or play games. Earning will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Whatever you are doing, you still get paid. As you can see, even the images right here, while drinking water, while reading the newspaper, or while sleeping, while eating or doing your job, you still are going to get paid. And obviously, the more devices you have, the more money you will make. And of course, this app will not make you rich, but even a couple of dollars that will quickly add up is not that bad. You just need to be a little bit patient so you can see the results. As you can see, they have the largest payment because they unite all the best reward programs in one place. And this is an example of how the app is going to look like once you install it for free on your smartphone. You'll get money from your Android phone and they pay every minute of that time when you do nothing. Unfortunately, this app is available only for Android, so if you're an iPhone user, I'm sorry, you cannot use this one, but you can use the previous app that I showed you. However, Android users need to go over Google Play Store and search for Cash Magnet, because this app is called Cash Magnet and this is their logo. So you install it, sign up for absolutely free, either with your email and password, or you can sign in with your Google account. And once you get started, you can get paid on complete autopilot and collect some free passive income with your smartphone device. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. This is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. So you'll have 2 phones working for you and you can earn even more money. And once again, it can obviously not replace your full-time job. It is not going to make you rich, but even just a couple of bucks here and there is still pretty decent because you are getting paid to do nothing. You do not have to complete tasks and you'll still make money. So the app, once again, was called cashmagnetapp.com, which you can find on Google Play Store only. And if you want to maximize your results or you are an iPhone user, you can use Mukesh, which is available for both Android and iOS. And if you want to learn more about how it works, you can come over to their website cashmagnetapp.com. You can go over these questions here and learn more about this app. And you can find these questions once you scroll down at the bottom of the Cash Magnet website. And of course, if you go over to Mukesh, you can also scroll down all the way till the end and you can find frequently asked questions. So you can go over to these questions and learn more about how this app works. They even have a blog when they post different news related to their app. Once again, the 2 apps that I shared with you today were Mukesh over at getmukesh.com. With Mukesh, you can turn swipes and taps into cash and earn up to $5 per day. It was available for both Google Play and App Store. The other app was Cash Magnet over at cashmagnetapp.com. Unfortunately, it was available only for Android. You can find it only on Google Play Store. So with Cash Magnet, you can get money from your Android phone every minute of the time when you do nothing. Before closing today's video, make sure to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new method. And of course, make the most money. And also check out my other videos so you can find the method that you prefer the most and that will be beneficial for you. Also, if you liked today's video and got some valuable information out of it, make sure to give a thumbs up, to leave a comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.